Let's make my favorite roasted tomato recipe. I had 8 tomatoes that I coated in some coconut oil mixed with some vegetable oil. I mixed the two oils together and then I placed the tomato in my baking dish, and I'm going to put this in my broiler. Not for no specific time, but until I have seen it starting to bubble on top and get a little charred. So now I'm adding some salt and black pepper. And then, as I said, I'm going to place it in the broiler until it's become charred on top. So it's all ready to go in. And I won't give a specific time because everybody's broiler is different. This is oregano or oregano. So you're going to put some of this in our tomato choker. Coconut oil, pepper sauce, butter, green seasoning, fresh oregano, brown sugar. I'm not adding any salt and black pepper because I already have salt and black pepper, but if while I'm making it and I need it, I'm going to add. So let's go over the ingredients here. Oregano, coconut oil, sugar, green seasoning, hot pepper sauce, butter. So now I'm going to take a fork and start to mash all the tomatoes in all its natural juices and the coconut oil and the salt and the black pepper. And then I'm going to put it back in the broiler after I add the seasoning that you saw me mixed in just now there. Guys, this is a must if you're trying this particular recipe. It really adds a lot of flavor. Oh my gosh, the flavor is amazing. So after I mix everything in here, I'm going to put it back in the broiler. And in the meantime, I'm going to make some sada roti. So this is it coming out of the broiler. You see how much of the water that we had in it dry up. And it's not so watery. Oh my god, all the natural flavors from the tomatoes and all the seasoning come together and dry up, so there's even more flavor. Amazing. So I'm adding my roti. If you want to see how I made that, there is a link in the end screen. You can check out that. I didn't bother to put that in here because I have done that so many times on this channel. And now I'm adding my tomato. I strongly suggest you put back the tomato in the broiler to dry up a little bit. It even adds more flavor. Gosh, this was one of my best tomato choker recipe. This isn't how a traditional tomato choker recipe is done. I will leave a link in the cards. Thanks for watching.